Have a wonderful day, dear students. Today, in Standard 7 English, I will introduce you a new chapter that is exploring patriotism. Patriotism means we have strong feelings of love with our country. Okay, and we have finest examples. They are Gandhiji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose. They were all fought for our nation. Professional. Here the words I will explain you. Connected with a job means the person who is doing a job. Persever, pursue, stand firm, and to stand firm. Emancipate, to free somebody from restrictions means to leave someone from the boundaries. Immense means huge, very large. Elegant, stylish means a person with a proper look or style. Means here is about the Gandhiji's turban. Turban was the style of Indian culture. Conservatism, the tendency of resist great change means the people, some orthodox people are not changed soon. Okay, so here the tendency means to make them change. This type of tendency. Extensively, in a far-reaching way means in a wide way. Phrase to be fond of, to have the interest of. Suppose you are having interest in different games or different dance or music or some events. Have a hard time to go through critical period means to pass from the critical period. We are all passing in a hard time nowadays in the coronavirus period. Is it so? Yes. Now dear students, more words are there that I will explain you. Antidote, a remedy to control the effect of poison or disease means one of the remedies there. Yes dear student, literacy level means level of ability to read and write. This is the literacy level is here. One of the character is about Abdullah Sheikh that is given here. Now today I will explain you the chapter according to the line wise. The making of the Mahatma. How Mahatma Gandhi became Mahatma and how he became very great personality of the world. Gandhiji became associated with the social life of Indians in South Africa since his arrival there in 1893. So he was associated with the social activity in South Africa when he reached there. Can anyone act against one's own nature or escape being a plane in the hands of fate? Gandhiji had gone to Africa with professional motives, but as must have been the design of destiny, his 21-year stay in South Africa became the preparatory period that equipped him with the perseverance and moral strength to emancipate society from the force of untruth and violence with the spiritual antidote of truth and non-violence. Means when Gandhiji reached in Africa, he went there for his professional motives. He was going to attempt the court and he struggled for some cases in the court. But when, as soon as he reached there, he struggled for 21 years in South Africa and might be he prepared there for our country. And when he came back here, whenever he fought against the violence and untruth, he fought with his special tools, non-violence and truth. It was a life of pure dedication, for not once in 21 years did he ever project himself as one who was after fame or one asserting himself as the author of event. So here Mahatma Gandhi was prepared himself, and one of the incident is given here in this lesson about the exploring patriotism. Unwelcome visitor. You know, sometimes, dear friends, we don't want some people at our home and unnecessarily they come to our home. We don't like them. So what we think? Unwelcome visitor. So here an excerpt from My Experiment with Truth. Means Gandhiji had written one of the book, My Experiment with Truth. Okay, and in that book so many incidents are described. So here one of them is, I will explain. The port of Natal is called Durban. Now in Durban, the port of Natal, Natal is the name of the port. And when Gandhiji was arrived at the time in South Africa, very first time. Also as Port Natal, Abdullah Seth has come to receive me. As the ship reached the quay and the people of Natal came on board on meet their friends, I realized that Indians were not quite respected there. When Gandhiji reached at the port of Natal in South Africa, Abdullah Seth, one of the friends of him, came to receive Gandhiji. But looking towards the local people, British means they are South African people, okay, white people, they were ignoring the Indian people. So at that time Gandhiji might have understood about the situation of that Indians are not welcomed there in their country. I noticed the kind of goodness in the behavior of people who knew Abdullah Seth. It hurt me. Gandhiji noticed Abdullah Seth was well-known, well-known person, but their local people not liked him as much. He took me home and gave me the room next to his. Abdullah Seth's literacy level was low, but his knowledge through experience was immense. He had a sharp intellect and was conscious of it. He had learned sufficient English from conversation through practice. He managed all his work with that kind of English. Means here Abdullah Seth, here some qualities of Abdullah Seth are given here. He had a very vast experienced person about that country and about the situation, social situation of that country. He knew English, but quite with the practice. Okay, he could not speak fluently, but he had a practice of by experiences. English conversation he learned sufficient by the listening and practicing, and he could manage well any of the work with his little knowledge of English. It was proud of Islam. He was proud of Islam. Abdullah Seth always proud on his own religion, like we are also proud on our religion. He was fond of discussing philosophy. On the second and third day, he took me to see court of Durban. He made me sit next to his lawyer in the court. The magistrate kept looking at me. Now the turning point is coming. Okay. Before that, I explained you about the Abdullah Seth was fond of. He was very much interested of that to discuss the philosophical discuss and to do some changes and everything. He was very interested in a deep knowledge discussion. Abdullah Seth was also one of the lawyers in the court of South Africa. So he went to the court. He also took with him Gandhiji and he gave seat beside him, and both were sat in the court in front of the judge. Okay, magistrate. And magistrate looked at the Gandhiji and what he did, see. He asked me to take off my turban. Turban means, you know, turban means what we are wearing, this type of turban. Yes, Gandhiji's turban. You can see in the photograph. Okay, so turban turban was our cultural clothes, है ना? We are wearing it on our head and it is our prestigious thing. Nowadays it is less, but in past, in our culture, people of India, they mostly wear the turban when they are moving. So here, Gandhiji refused to take it off and left the cord. He told, no, I did not take off the turban. I left the cord, and then Gandhiji went outside the cord. And this incident made him famous. As my luck would have it, there was a battle here as well. Abdullah said did not like that suggestion. He said, if you make that change now, it will be misunderstood. Those who want to wear the turban of their country will have a hard time. Moreover, you look elegant with the turban of our country. Abdullah told him, if you took off your turban, it might be misunderstood with me, because here we have a prestige. Okay, we have certain prestige in this country about our country. So we are most probably turban is our cultural uniform, so we cannot take off that. You will look like a waiter if you wear an English cap. Now here, moreover, you look elegant with the turban. With the turban, your personality is very nice. But if you wear cap, it looks like the waiter in the hotel. Those words had worldly wisdom and patriotism and to an extent a little conservatism too. I wrote a letter to newspaper about the incident in defense of me and turban. Ms. Gandhiji had written the letter to the newspaper reporter, and I hid the headline "Unwelcome Visitor." When he had written about this incident, he did this type of action on me, but press almost written "Unwelcome Visitor." The heading was there. And within 3 or 4 days, without any effort, I got publicity in South Africa. Some took my side, some severely criticized me for my rudeness. My turban survived almost till the end. Now, dear friend, this way Gandhiji had a hard time and struggling in South Africa with the Britishers and the foreign people. And he did not took off his turban, but the incident of turban made him famous in South Africa, and day by day he had hard work in South Africa. He fought a long struggle for a 21 years period for Indian peoples, for the right of the Indian peoples in South Africa. And then he came to India, and again he fought against the Britishers, and we got the independence. So we must say Mahatma Gandhi was a great personality, and nowadays he is our father of nation. It is our great patriotism towards him. So we should always salute Mahatma Gandhi, and we also stay with enthusiasm and lots of patriotism in us, so we can develop our country very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.